the Doogee V30 versus the Umidigi Bison GT2 Pro. Which of these two devices has the best specs and features? The V30 is the latest rugged phone from Doogee. It is Doogee's flagship rugged phone, and it is one of the best rugged phones of 2022. It is powered by the Dimensity 900, the same chip that powers the Bison GT2 Pro. In this video, I'm going to be comparing the key specs and features of both devices to see which is best. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's head into it. So there we go, guys. Which of the two devices is equipped with the best specs? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.